Do you know what are the things that help one form an opinion? Well, we did some research to find out what they are. One thing found common in people who don't have a personal voice is that they forget to research and question. Which brings us to our next stop, research. Researching helps one to form personal opinions and conclusions on issues. It ignites a culture of questioning. We came up with different programs like reading cards, random automatized naming, sight words, reading comprehension skills, library activities, assets that attempt to inculcate reading and research habits in our students. The idea is to make a child question rigorously and explore fearlessly. This helps them to reach the depths of what they are studying and ultimately focuses on their academic growth, personality growth, and perspective building. That's all for today. Stick to this space to know about the next stop on our journey to Sharper. See you next time.